Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Hoffen electronic digital scale. This particular scale is grey in color. We will find out soon enough. This is also a basic digital scale. Comes with 4 color options. Otherwise, it's generally inexpensive and comes with a very basic design. It also comes with auto power on-off feature and a couple of other things as well. We'll find them soon enough. Let's see what other information is there on the box. As mentioned earlier, there's a backlight display, temperature display. There's only 20 millimeters thick, that is pretty good. Strong tempered glass. Wide LCD display, 73 into 28.3 millimeters by dimension, which is not bad. Anything else on the box? Oh, a lot of other stuff here. Max capacity of 180 kilos, 396 pounds. 2 AAA batteries included. Also, you can switch between 3 units on this particular weighing scale, units being kilos, pounds, and stones. Let's see what other... Okay, anything else? There's an auto on-off feature. We will find that out. That's about it. Let's open this box and see what's inside. A little bust. No, it's fine. Okay, have to be very careful. A lot of thermocol packing. Oh, completely wrapped in thermocol. What is that? 2 AAA batteries. Anything else? What might this be? And let's remove these thermocol packs. This is the underside. And this is the right side then. Thermocols removed. Let's get rid of the plastic bags. You see some documents. This is a thank you note, and there's also some, quick use guide, which is very nifty. I mean, very clever. We'll keep this here, right here. This is the user manual, separate one. Lot of instructions and points over here. That quick tips rather that you should go through it at least once. And keep it over here as well. And this is what the Hoffen weighing scale looks like. The Hoffen personal weighing scale, electronic digital weighing scale. Yesterday you said tomorrow is written over here, and the Hoffen logo is also quite prominent. This has an auto on-off feature, but you're wondering how, because if you put pressure on, it's not starting. Obviously that's because this doesn't have batteries right now. We're going to do that. How do we find out? There's some rubber stops here, which makes it very stable. This is a very solid weighing scale. This is tempered glass on top, and this is 22 millimeters or 2.2 centimeters. 1 second, yeah, 2.2 centimeters. And focus is gone again. What's up? Let's see how we can turn this on. There's a flap here. I guess this is where the batteries go in. Yep, let's put them in. That's one. That's 2. The moment I did that, a light started blinking over here, which means that the device is now powered on. I'm going to put the flap back in. Yep, and let's see what happens when I apply some pressure on it. Yes, the LCD screen glows, and you can see the weighing, the weight being displayed over here. Let's try that again. That's it. So far the unit is only in kilos. Yes, it's in kilos. It's also showing the temperature. If you can notice, it's 27 degrees. Not bad. If you'll notice, there's a tiny button over here. It doesn't look like a button really, but that's what it is. There's unit written right next to it. I don't know if you can read this. It's written in a weird way. It looks like, it looks like it's written against a mirror, but that's not true. This is actually unit. So what happens is every time I click on this button, the unit changes on the display. So if I click it once, you will see kgs written, but I click it again, and it's changed to pounds. I click it again, it will show me pounds and stone, and so on and so forth. That's a very neat feature. I think that will come in handy and you can now choose whatever unit you want to shoot this in. That's great. And that's it. That's all you find inside the box containing the Hoffen electronic digital scale.